So hi everybody, hope you're doing good in this gloomy weather. So today I want to talk to you about this 6 weeks transformation challenge we are doing from Monday on, from this Monday, 10th of January till the 18th of February. So it's going to be 6 weeks structured program, and this program is more or less focused on the strength and a little bit of the HIIT cardio at the same time. Okay, so you're gonna get like 3 strength and HIIT exercises and workouts in a week, plus 1 mobility, yoga, and guided meditation, because this is really important in our daily lives. And as we did previous challenge, a lot of trainees really love this style because it made them really relaxed. So the venue is at National Sports Council outside in the skating park. I chose outside because we are in the COVID times and this is way better to train. We are following the safety rules as always, so you don't have to be intimidated by the group class because we are very distant from each other, at least 2 meters, so it's totally fine. And you can totally feel safe like that. Of course, we take all the safety measures because it's needed. So it's up to you if you want to come until they actually restrict us, but let's hope not. So that's covered. The next thing is about the equipment. You will need a pair of weights. It's very recommended for this type of workouts that we're gonna do. You're gonna also need a jump rope, booty band, and an exercise mat. So now let's talk about the structure of the classes. So Monday is lower body focus with HIIT burnout. Tuesday, upper body focused, abs and HIIT burnout. Wednesday is flexible mobility, yoga, belly breathing, guided meditation at the end. And Thursday is HIIT Tabata style. Full body. So this is the structured routine, and it's really good. It's really good the way I train as well, and also trainees like it. So we have lower body, upper body, relaxing, and full body. So it's really good. And then you have, let's say, for the next 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you can have your active rest day, or you can do any of my online workouts, right? So that's that. Okay, so I will show you in the next clip. All right, now let's talk about what happens if it rains. In this case, we will meet in the Zoom class from your homes. I hope you have, at least good or solid internet connection. And of course, the Zoom class will be a little bit shorter, let's say 30 minutes. But it's a good substitute in case there is a rain, because we are in the rainy season, and we can all meet in the Zoom training, or you can do one of the exercises and the workouts I will give you if you want to do it at home. So yeah, that's another option. We can actually train in case of the rain because we are outside. That's another thing we're gonna do. Yeah. So some people ask me if this is also for the beginners, and the answer is yes. I always show you modified versions, even if you are a beginner or advanced. Both of you will be able to participate in my classes because it's very important that I show the proper form. We go from the mild version to the more extreme and advanced version of every single exercise, and then you just choose whichever it fits to your fitness level. So don't be afraid of that. I cover everything, and also some of my trainees, they are already on advanced or at least into the intermediate level, so you can always check them if you want more, or I show you the modified version. So don't worry, I always make sure that you do the exercises in the right way. So yeah, let's talk about the fit test. The fit test is always done on the first day of the training. We're gonna do a little bit different fit test this time than the previous time. And then it's again on the 3rd week and on the last week, on the 6th week, or basically on the last day of the training. Of the 6 weeks challenge, and you will will actually get a paper where you will note down everything that you need to do for this fit test so that you can have accountability for the next time. So the trainings are super fun. The group is super fun. Ladies are super supportive. We have a WhatsApp group as well. And so we keep each other accountable and we encourage each other. And if we have struggles, questions, whatever, I'm always there helping you. Also, you're gonna get my free ebook, guided meal plan, and another thing. All right. And the last thing we need to talk about is the fee. This is 1,500 rupees for the 6 weeks challenge. You're gonna get 24 workouts with this one, free guided meal plan, free ebook of your choice. I have 2 ebooks, so you will choose which one you want to have. And of course my guidance, my tips and tricks and everything in between. And what's the most important thing? You will get better and you will get new friends and a new fitness family. So if you have any more questions about it, please don't be shy to ask me anything, DM me, and I will reply to you ASAP. Okay, if not, see you on Monday. 5? Yeah, I want to say 5 to 6 p.m. every single day, right? From Monday to Thursday. I have to monitor because I have only like 1 minute of recording on this story. So yeah, that's why maybe some clips are behind and forward. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm looking forward to meet all of you again, my old trainees and the new ones. And don't be shy. It's the most important thing is that you take the first steps. Everything else will just simply flow as you go. There's a lot of encouragement. There's a lot of positivity. There's a lot of laughter. Amazing time. And yeah, don't be shy. Just come, take the step to better you. All right. See you on Monday, everybody. Hope the weather will serve. Okay. Ciao, ciao. Have a wonderful day.